Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to verify your account on Rumble using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Rumble, also have access to a mobile phone. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way onto the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now let's go to rumble.com. Let's use a shortcut on the bookmarks toolbar. So there we have it, Rumble. And this will take us to our account. Just make sure that you are signed into the Rumble account. Let's go to the top right corner. Click on Account Overview. And now let's go to account verification. And now let's just zoom into this. So account status not verified. Some features may be limited or unavailable. Uploading videos and use live streaming. Make money and cash out your earnings. Leave comments on videos. Vote for videos or comments. At the moment, it's limited or unavailable as we have not verified the account. Let's just do that now. So I'll be typing in my phone number. Text me. A code was sent to my mobile phone, which I have received. Let's now type that in. Validate code. Congratulations, the phone number has been verified. Close. And there we go. Account status verified. We can now upload videos and use live streaming, make money and cash out the earnings. Leave comments on videos, vote for videos and comments. That's okay. So let's now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.